Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create star transitions for your edits on CapCut. So you can use this transition for both videos or photos, but here I'm using photos. And after you add your photos or clips, just go to overlay and add the white image from the stock videos as the overlay. Okay, and then just go to edit and click on crop and crop it to square like this. Then put the overlay in between the clips like this. Then after that, just go to mask, still on the overlay, and then select star. Okay, here is the star, and just drag the arrow to make it a little bit blurry like this. Click on a check icon and now click add a keyframe at the start and zoom out the star like this, and now add another keyframe at the end in here. And then zoom in the star to your liking. Okay, and after that, copy the overlay, then delete the keyframes on the copied version, and now adjust the size like this, and go to mask again and click on invert, so the star will look like this, and add a keyframe at the start here at the start of the second overlay, and then fit the size, zoom the star to the same size in the previous overlay. Okay, so like this, and now add another keyframe at the end and zoom in the star until it doesn't show on the clip like this. And now you are done, and first you just can see the result, and that is how you can create a star transitions on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.